ana me say empress ne sende
I made the empress ne sende
enya empress ne sende
the powerful
what if you osre answer sre me dem ni hwe ka empress
I don't know force the asaba say ni
oh me fan share no but me nim no na me nim no betumi aye enti ago problem ni why
oh force what the empress
me force fan share no ono a wi ase obia ni mobi
no za not just one him no
papa
okay
na hema me chia na hema
empress
empress
o chia no
ma chia
ojo so sisi ade o fie wuti unto ojo so ojo
me ye Babylon me ye Babylon
ana bi sabe say nyo no a
ana me say
na wo de wadwen na ekire
say me fa madwen na ekire me say Babylon na nya ba mu no eno nko a
anti na chese wo pese wo chese empress na o use sa we na
afi de wasende
o se
Babylon empress ba me yare de kura ko
why wadro
Babylon na nya babu no empress ni Babylon o de be ma o se sia a se Nigeria ni ba ni idiot
empress we meditation meditation
okay
anopai ya chese asembia ni akire anopai ya chese asembia ni akire
empress
asembia ni akire
empress is empress
asembia ni akire
empress is me ye Babylon me ye Babylon
on ka sa o me so obi na se menka because we do birthday ni sie nti
obi entumi nye Babylon
o say
obi entumi nye empress
oh na
me say sa eyo nu o se nye onu o Babylon no e ma ne yo no
ese chenchina atwan
Babylon na wo mu no oh aden se be na me de menu aba me ne tia
ese chenchina atwan
Babylon na nya ba mu no nko ade
okay
ayo no a
ene ye wo na wo kan me de menim no for a fact but wo na wo kan ti ese wo na wo kan dey fine ene ye betie ne se ne wo kan but ye no ye nim for fact say ono no wo kan but me say one kasa na wo kan asemti ye be fane sa cuz ye be fane sa say na Friday, thank God it's Friday ene e bojaye ene finish
Bugatti
boss something
good morning
boss
napom
boss okay say na dum bibi ekoyi ba
bibi ekoyi o
yeah okay my ever prepared ever ready my prepare no ye konte kuma ho boss I don't know me din kunim no boss ma ho ya be no me no be sure buga na sa de utwa
de he
aso afi papa isi da bi eyeku
da bi me nka se aso ada se nya aso
se masuya de boy the whole night man masuya de sa critical thinking o se madwemu do comedy agura bi wogu mi so asasi ame mi sia de me de nko na o su transfer be ja uti
okay
and dem no
Mr. Ka
was he
let me ask you
hey
tell me there and that's the name of the question will be some
catch empress say emane answer question no emma mumie no bia ne answer on fan send me
oh okay
doctor or saying your friend is said dentist okay and doctor or share and means so your friend is saying
what's it
I can
minimum na
Bugatti
boss
for the two that person actually
oh
me person no
oh me come predo me ko fa ye de na be ja to no
what's so show
obi e jai
okay what da ko wachi ka what da ko wachi for phone to
na me de monitor
what do you do monitor me empress enkrofo no mu wia me na o hwe phone no so
oh there be oh
that's more boss so the ya be kana
ya kwa je ya kasa je phone
fa phone to ha fa phone to so
me fa to so
ah o fa to so
na ya me ho
o da fa phone to so
phone so de ke be
no be sa kwa je
phone to so
later in near me boss
afi
man
ben Bugatti china you atina Mystica afi mama ntie
we dey
because we dey a beat me
sa
the crab back
okay
na me nim but what can one escape I feel me too
okay
I feel me too say
Buga
boss
mama nim minim pa na I feel me too say
mama ni mana
Buga
boss
baby how kasa obi ate
adrum so na obe man foforo boss man foforo
me man foforo
boss man foforo
question am bisa he ba ko pe ene me call listeners wo me call obi a ho
na ona was say start to be na
was it a doctor or share ni
your doctor or share ni
na we just say
on the baby ya boss me just start there na be fa there be ye dia catch ho be kire yen the boss adu ye hu
fine na say
chama so bon brutal student stroke teacher
because I don't know why my doctor or share
doctor Hessin so do you doctor a dentist
say I need him I need the no we anko me say no so we be say be a doctor or share ma oh any dey
was we dey any pa need e oh was no
I know dey na wo mitim na obi say ya na afri mitim
the question na huna one answer day
the question na mitim afri mu na ade na ye bi o ho no this is as your phone
say you into me
you cry obi frame
ogogo cry kwa oh
boss ya
Buga wonim
boss ya
doctor a ohwe ni ni ohwe se e dentist
no dey
yes
na na mo say no
and a doctor ohwe ni e dey
we always say I care ni dey
any da I care no was a gynecologist
gynecologist doctor here ni then nurse my brother
nurse for ni tie o
oh boss na sadi oh this way ya
oh dabi Buga
we yes gynecologist
gyne pa there dabi
oh ni ti Ghana home
doctor o share ni dey anya gynecologist
boss adie twa me the fa house ke be fa bad na mfa
we are sure
anya na I care boss anya na I care
o ni bi ko bi
this one try na omna camera
come now say ha ma
yes
okay
boss
vigilator na near fast you over
you need ignorant
over tie
you know what
see phone na see ntach bi
they say your first sign so your phone
boss
what shock me pa
oh na say me nkwana
anya na say wani ya ko hu no doctor yi
me kwa wanka say o anka nkyere me
na gynecologist who gynecologist Mystica for phone to
obi friend
why na frɛ
then they have you boss
I'm a gynecologist
but gynecologist the dabi gyne nurse for no jawo on be jawo
they say e me kan I care
I care
so
I care
boss we hear the kitwa we have before the botanical names ni
anya botanical
boss botanical
me say doctor o hwe sin even dentist doctor o hwe ni ono so dey say
eno dey nya Ghana
boss eno dey me sure say we botanical name ni din e da form e be se bedlo bongata
I escape me
e be se musa sapiantum akese ni bia ko be se we ene easy normal young
intimate call phone lines
okay be me
na san cafe na ke be
cafe na ke yele ma
and I'm saying intimate call phone lines
phone na ni dum na ze
okay Bugatti as a gynecologist
he was
Mr. also said
okay
me dey feel it me dey make I care that be I care dey
0536304072 hello good morning
Good morning.
ajam pache udini wasem
Dr. Broko Jinakaku.
brakajo
Aja,
ete say
Yami Adomo.
doctor a ohwe esin your friend dentist doctor ohwe
Eye specialist.
doctor ohwe ni your friend say
Your friend eye specialist.
eye specialist mpacho you mate you eye care and this eye specialist okay mama mfa another caller 0536304072 na 0322296342. Hello, good morning. Hello, good morning.
Morning, Kayaso.
Ejampacho Udi. Mr. Dabala. Okay. Mr. Dabala. What's it? Hello? Hello? Yes, sir. Mpacho, me say doctor or share say your friend a dentist. Now doctor or share ni your friend is saying. Oh, Mr. Bala. Meet you. Dabi, Kunzi is assembly man, Dabi. Hey, doctor or share saying the dentist. Doctor or share ni munim. Hello, good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Me pacho te say mami.
Me pacho yamya de mo ye na so.
Me pacho you. Ye fro say.
Pacho fro obaya me kasa se junase.
Obaya kasa fro junase. Obaya pacho doctor or say ye friend the dentist. Ni o share ni ye friend say.
Pacho do share ni ye friend ophthalmologist.
Thank you. Ophthalmologist. Thank you. Obaya me das wati. Wo gu monuments kra. Obaya, thank you. Obaya cha eno no. Eye care, eye specialist. Wine. Obaya gu monuments. Mona monument twa all na mo zizizi wono.
Boss,
what's that? You know, health sector.
Me more health.
That is what the question is.
Minim. Boss. Midwife. Hey.
Ejo mo de nyama we mo nya.
That's not ball so easy. So ball so easy.
What would be some question on radio ma? Me
say so won boss can be am busa e ba boss we be etwa. Okay.
So we a media personality. Okay. So also a media personality.
Boss they am prepare ho no. And you can connect for the side. Because you see, I know that what you boss, I do with boss now. And then you go in. And then, with the Monday night,
ophthalmologist. Fatutu.
Oh, says the idea.
So, yeah,
we are not winning the bono. The bono crab. I was saying, boom. Oh, what's that here? What fat 3 letters be an outside.
Boss, and you also because you know what. Also, now see a boy.
Who makes me spell Ophelia?
Ophelia. Oh,
Ophelia.
Boss, nothing the job we say about Ophelia.
Spell Ophelia, mammy. Ophelia.
Boss, now
Ophelia. Spell Babinti.
Nah, give it to my baby.
What spell Ophelia?
I don't know what some you do because nothing nobody say one. Yeah, Monday near yes, Monday my solo you feel an amount.
Won't you spell Ophelia?
Bet my bet said they be a back question back.
The other trend opposite
and name one because
and Friday.
And
Mianim Messica. One Empress Riawas.
Oh, there be
boss, we Empress, boss, will be a bit not our share. We get
what's it? Tonight, I catch what say. And I will be
I didn't want for a Sunday, am I? I said, I don't for a coffee. I need you.
I say, doctor or hessing a dentist.
That's not the energy.
Doctor or share me ophthalmologist. And I'm a
yeah.
Okay.
Ophthalmologist. Wait.
Now, doctor or shall soon so swear.
What's that?
Boss can clear.
You
boss. with ourselves for Mr. Kayaso. We yes, I said dinner no de bruta de banco and ophthalmologist. It ready and I'm your mom say Monday. I was answering for was a good swap. Utie or best sports station Liberty 92.7 of your corner pen of a yadi a good year with some de boy boy. Now men conquer honorable team and so the honorable yes and a play special good morning assemblyman. I like at the one of my mention of any Comoca crowd. It's on Mr. Walker qualified games in their Koso and on a pair resource in Adeba and Radio Miso Africa, Burundi Mino, Etrafie, Kenya, Equachana Kanabako went to Mate, Botswana Trafie, Ama Uganda, and Swashan Kanabako Mozambique, Etrafie, Guinea, Equachana Caribbean Motimete, Kanabako, Somalia, Trafie, Algeria, Equachana Academy as a player in the team, Eddie Mohammed Amura, Ebo First Gafe, Yadma Rez, and so about Skimnoka said it was a place where and about 3 goals, and so about Jedon of Peron Winston in Arabia for Southern Liberia, Minum, let's me and someone Namibia, and so to me at a Kanabako, Europa, and I gave the Brenet because Swam on the Yabo Tenafe, Young Fat Resource, Belarus, Etrafie, Emma, Denmark. I got China Academy and Saint Sion on Sweatmantier, Victor Fort, and after player the DN study, Rasmus Highland, about 2 goals, Patrick Dogu, about the 4th goal after player the D, and so at Andres Dreyer, where many players are, about 6 goals, Edema Denmark Minor, Belarus and 20 Mantier, Scholar Letter for Shemiensa, Emma Greece at the Kanumbaco, player the team, and we are Christian about 1st goal, Mascola Nafe, player the D, and so Ivan Ferguson Nafe, Lyndon Dykes, women about 3 goals, and so Adama Scholar Nafe, player the team, and so Constantino Chimikas at the Kanumba Quadema Greece, and no games club, because so Okofilana, one of Shemienuma Lithuania, and so at the Kanumba Komota Trafie, Emma Netherlands, Shan Kalin 9, Cody Couple, about 2 goals, Tijani Rendes, and after Memphis Depay Wemo, and about 4 goals from, and so Adama Netherlands, Mino, Southern also wanted to future Kalin 2, Emma San Marino, and so at me at radio to say, now I go Galopa, Cyprus, at the 2, Emma Bosnia and Herzegovina, and Switch 2, Czech Republic, Trafia, Shebi, Emma Croatia, Swent Matem Sansom, and our Fair Islands, Mino, I said 9, Emma Montenegro, and so Antimat. Pero seminano and so ben at 4 young Kelim Kakra wouldn't be said never 20 games maybe not because so now a big amount for World Cups on now a bit so about friendly games now St. Vincent Etrafie and my Cuba man because I'm Canaba Cuba man so Antimantia Romania said 2 and my Bordeaux Etimate Canumback England man as a Miensa and my West Antimanti player the D Eddie Morgan Rogers Ebo Fresco Bukayo Sakabo Sikango Nafe Oli Watkins and so about the go to game the corner here no na England 3 Wales 0 after Poland Malta Fisher Bako and New Zealand so Antimanti Piotr Zelinski and they said only go and so my Poland Morocco man Fisher Bako and my Bahrain and so Antimanti can be another problem with seminano and so ben at here for Kane games Pina Subetima Kosovo Africa you only say about we had no they say 1 p.m. South Sudan 1 and Senegal Sudan Mano and so and Mauritania at 1 p.m. Togo Manaba Trafie, what any DR Congo, Afe Soko, Lesotho, we are no 9, what any of my friends in Nigeria way, and you master for Nigeria because Nigeria man, Omuna Yekra, Rwanda, and so any Benin, Afe Zimbabwe, whatever Trafie, what any South Africa, Gambia Betrafie, what any Gabon, Afe Seoko Seshosa, whatever Trafie, one any Lacote d'Ivoire, way again where they say. Because for some more goals to party come after Sao Tome and Principe, what ended Tunisia, where you give themselves upon there, a bit more boss, they don't say now, and so when a tier 4 court in Europe, the 10 year, when we say Germany, Manaba Trafie, one ended Luxembourg, after Northern Ireland, one ended Slovakia, Kosovo Betrafie, one ended Slovenia, after Sweden Betrafie, one ended Switzerland, France, man, and there, Milim Kylian and Bablo, Tibet Messiah, one ended Azerbaijan, after Iceland, Manaba Trafie. What any Korea games of the phone name, a bit my cost on a prayer, what you are simple pa, and so ben a tier for young called the CONCACAF. You said your tennis head, so quite a game, but now bet me so cost on a prayer, don't someday, but now I'm not my neck as a stamano, a better feel one and a Liechtenstein, after Belgium, and in North Macedonia. Now young CONCACAF 5 games and there, a bit my cost on a Suriname, one any Guatemala, after Bermuda, one any Trinidad and Tobago, after Curacao, one any Japan. America what the games and ebetimi akos na don say binano and so be na tiefo ni komo kakra me say and the following games be betimi so akoso Japan minor what any Paraguay South Korea one any Brazil Uruguay any Dominican Republic after Bolivia minor one any Jordan Russia man better fear one any Iran Chile man better fear one any Peru now for Canada and Australia way games and ni nyina following games bet na question na pabisa for me don say no and so be na tiefo so me do say be sna fe ya be din komo kakra ofie na go prado me ne GPL be san so ato so ne ebo 4:30 a media ma any dream service na me admo china ye nature service betra ye Dr. Kwame Chey Sports Complex one any Kumasi Asante Koroko afi bi china service betra fie one any bibia ni go start now nim say na me admo Sunday 5 games and ebetimi akoso ukọ nana adman bedu park do na start betra fie one any BECHEM United afi Ho United and Swadu All Blacks Carolina team betra fie one any Become Chelsea Summertex any 11 Wonders Young Apostles betra fie one any Barcelona list away e Ghana Manager because of fiada me ndana afi ni question so the don't we say binano elebe na team for Black Stars ni come akra unim say GF communication member Henry Asante Chimono and a customer the GF na unim say opani ni say ebra who say Fatawi sa go be pio Black Stars no was say who dirip kwa kwada no o pray what no be 1 year beto ba no ye nyina ye hu ni performance oda na di and more my guarantee opani ani di so the Henry Asante Chum
very good sense of humor, the ability to be friendly with all. Then the way I will be really easygoing, always having jokes, dancing around, jumping around, a young boy with lots of energy. The young once is so sunny. It's exactly a year ago, almost a year ago. It was in November last year, and I was AFCON qualifier or taking out of action for over 6 months, but he's been back since he returned. His performance for the team Leicester City has been top notch. So we are happy to welcome him back. See the way our boys in Kasa for a league, never lively, easygoing, nice guy, always cracking jokes, always laughing around, always jumping around, and he's fun.
Yeah, what is up for GFF for communication director the so Henry Asante Chunamoten and Kano. They didn't let you know so let me say who Ramu Black Stars Australia player the Jordan you know and a captain them Black Stars himself anywhere by no what me say about 9 games was 7 goals 7 assists now no and you see the be a so for anyway so master Henry Asante Chum me so me both games I can go so I say and your pending the what the time is a few minutes here Sekagana walk up and can have a one now you Henry Asante Chum asema oka for Jordan are you home
Stats player he will call 7 times a week to ask about records, statistics, then it's Jordan. I remember before I moved back, and I give 11 p.m. almost 12 midnight. So me back and then you see phone ringing and the guy who say on one by before you got me to talk. It's a chance and I said, we got me to talk and we had a good laugh. And then besides what is it? I check my records, give me my number of taps, my goals. And I'm saying, by this time, I will let you do your head inside. Make you tell me, make a move. And he pays attention to those things. I mean, if you say, Adeakyia, a good guy wants to know how well he's doing in terms of numbers. But say, edging or driving on. The numbers are. If you say, he must fight more because he wants to set a certain bar or barrier, for himself. And those are things he pays attention to. And then you're a man of relaxing.
Well, what is some of us for Ghana Football Association communication director, and so the Henry Asante Chunamoten and Kano, the Minister of Sports and Recreation, your Paniani team, and so the Honorable Kofi Idi Adams and the Sports Minister. Now, him said, no, you're the one no we say, Sunday Blaster simple more than the Bay say, you may invest a lot of video analysis for because Bona Yabos is saying, so only video analyst, so over to my suburb,
you've had good players. Many occasions you find them play as a team. Exactly what they did today. Some occasions it's not gone well. What it means is to enhance your training. Make sure that do other enhancements, including the evaluation of games. What it means now is that you already know a number of teams that have qualified also. So you must begin to study their playing style and their stars who are involved, because you don't know the group that you will be in until 5th December when the draw will take place. So then you know which group you are in and who you are meeting at the group stage. Then you can drill down onto those particular teams that you know you will be facing at the group stage. Look at their games, watch the videos, analyze it, and you'll be able to tell the coach, analyze each player, the opposing teams that you will be meeting, and draw a strategy. Let them know that, okay, this is the plan that will work for this particular team or for this particular player. You need to put this person on him or that person on him, or you need to play this style so you block them from having access, and you can use either the flanks or the midfield to fly through, depending on how they also play.
Yeah, and I just want to say, your team is happy now and invest because the clubs are more than so be a team video on and some for a few minutes of sports and we catch and share the banana pedal when some maybe a team for when himself was not to us. So the modern ball almost is here and I'll say, coach, I'm in Ukraine. Why lucky pass out of my gun and qualify for the World Cup?
What I said then is the truth and remains the truth. Otto, well, in this his coming, I can also describe that he has been lucky. In terms of performance, since I became the minister, the list was a draw. We won against Chad here home. We won against Madagascar away. We went to Chad and we drew. We came home against Mali and we won. We've gone to Central African Republic. I was played in Morocco and we have defeated them again. And I know against Comoros also, he will want to pay them back because they are the only ones that have defeated us in the course of these qualifiers when we went away. So we want to beat them back. So for the team, technical team and the playing body, this opportunity to pay them back. And they will be much more relaxed because they know that so they will not be playing under any institute.
Well, what is up with the foreign minister of sports and recreation and so honorable Kofi Olomide with a permanent and Kanani said in Amia game now and so because you come say Baba Yara Sport Stadium. Now report I mean second of penny team and so Yaw Ampo Crono and a Director General of the National Sports Authority. Now James Tangupoya Sunday Opa now we support out that because on being extra policeman of a soldiers Baba Brutanti we support that any class of panic cry. Yet your penny and the team and the Yaw Ampo Ankara.
Not to come to the stadium, but let me put it in context. As you heard the communications director saying, there's a capacity limit. So obviously, millions of people would want to see their Black Stars, especially after the sterling performance in Morocco against Central African Republic. But that is not possible. Ideally, the match should be shown live, free to air on the domestic network so that millions of people can watch the match. Again, reasons beyond the NSA's reach, that is not possible. However, what is possible is what happens in the stadium where we have, control. So we need to make sure that the control we have is maintained, and with the security officers and the Ghana Football Association, the Ministry of Sports and Recreation, we will ensure that. And we've done all we can to, you talked about the pitch. Funny enough, that has become the least of our problems now. It used to be a big problem. That has become the least of our problems. And so security-wise, as you can see, the security expert coming in to tell us that, look, we would advise you do A, B, C, D. And we've listened to them, and we will try to, extra police for this game. And it's the same for the military presence. So there will be extra police, there will be extra security.
Yes, it is now Sunday for when they moon say who crowd game out or feel comfortable how be an attorney some free Director General the National Sports Authority at the team and so Yaw Ampo Frank and Martin and Camrana you didn't come a crowd Gana Pmelling and Yardman there or himself Mediama about himself in a coach and so the man Mediama Ibrahim Tanko now we sound the same team Mankasa or injuries and also there will be pride Namianum but the play back could be never or did it enti ma affect no kwa yentie Ibrahim Tanko coach and sorry ma mediema.
Everyone is doing good. Like you said, Kingsley was injured for a long time. When he came back, he trained very well. That we think we have to give him a chance. Yeah, and Salam, luckily enough, he came in and scored the winning goals for us. So definitely, we are looking at both of them and see who will be.
Well, what is something about media coach and the Ibrahim Tanko, the Martin and Ghana, nothing as I was saying, Prince, so on, say, when you call up to the Black Star, on no bro, free money, every say, affect one or see a crack, so Prince, so integral member, and so at the moment, football, yes, sanity, and then be another players are over here, Yentin Gakra.
Yes, of course, we are missing him, but I think those who play did very well, and we wish him also very good luck today with the Black Stars, and I hope that they will win. And so that we also on Friday we have our home game, and those who play for him, I think they did very well, like I said. We hope that on Friday it will be.
Yes, media match just a combination couldn't be a quarter of man. Said, yeah, I was ready in France, was a Fansa, Mobaba, Takwa, and Abuso Park, the same year, Mobaba, now pay mobile supporter boys, no more at him adding Kunum against him and the team, and so the team FC.
They are the 12th man behind us, and we hope that on Friday, 4:30, they will come and support. We are ready, and the team are ready to deliver.
There's a coach anyway. I made my coach and Ibrahim Tanko the Martin and Ghana cheap and I play on so Sakama media man. Just one about which the coach. Oh, sorry, I call. There be my main kaka call him Samia by any media man for them. Your percent, your Sando J, Ghana Premier League, as sounds to be seen. Now, say they play anything at the Desmond Baffle.
You wish you say, the league, and somebody league in the I was like, you much if you are ahead, get to be winning.
And what we need your belly, what's my that when he's up, media for play any team, and so I did this one of Baffle and Motin and Canadian Comaka with any team or any Baby Saka, himself, so coach on your friend is Winfred Tomon or Professor Coach Way, said the man called your champ and for betting up Pamonona. When we saw no so catch them, we say, where they were prepared, your media for no, most of them become a banner, media go crap. Yet Winfred Tomon.
It's been great. We quickly returned from the vision gate, which, I mean, our expectations did not align with the reality. We drew that game, of course, we drew points, and we quickly did our recovery corrections, did the review, and quickly had to switch the mindset, the mentality to the next game. So, I mean,
now, just a coaching just what prepare your two mentality. I did it here. Was Saki was in brutality, and also the trust says, oh, ball against media man, a crucial game. So, dear God, media back team on a bet him a coup. What do you must say? You take with a Domon.
Very important game. A Dreams FC against media man on any other day is a crucial game, and especially from where Dreams FC is coming from. We are, yes, struggling, but we are playing some interesting football. It's just that we are also conceding some bad avoidable push.
Well, what is some of the about themselves for coach and the end of Domon and Martin and Canani said, I go by the Mochina, a ball, a we are no means, a Kumasa, and I got to go team now, one any nature serves the game, one over at them, Rutana coach, and so the man that you see a coach and the team, Eric Kasim or Kanse Mengel. Now, coach, your boy, Jima Pow, now, when him say, I don't want command one or two, said. Again, when KOTOKO, I know bad Yaman because the team had this season. Performance no was the best of the football idea. O ma prepare ye na me admo chana de. O muni KOTOKO ho agro kwa yentie Kasim or Kanse Mengo.
We are doing our normal preparation that we do for all matches. We are playing every match. We have 3 points. So I will intensify training a little because it's KOTOKO. We can't dispute about mighty, so yeah, only.
Well, when he's some coach and so the man let you see Kasim or Kanse make a matter and call him so say at the back one this is affecting his over say players will be a movie out from the team. Tama team no emu ahodo kakra but we did the players now no. You don't have to me abuana now for you or my team aveni na me adma china against Kumasi ASANTE KOTOKO.
Two is a factor, and on top you know, those of the players that make it take last season, most of them are not available. We call replacement. I to take a little bit time for them to get to where we were. And, you know, we went to Abia and the matches we lost, or away matches we lost. So, you could say, yes, you can say that lack two was not on our side. But the way we played, we created the chances, we wasted all of them. Things all passed, and I say we couldn't take our chances. We only have 2 matches. I hope.
Yeti wachina di asobe tumasi Dr. Kwame Chey Sports Complex na we coach afọ ni se Kasimo Kanse Menga na for Martin Nkaro person do se be sina wia e board no me na better na fe da good dem se mo hwam na sanso de baba domo me di ade Walter Frederick bet my friend say bu ga
ye chargeable eye ma ne mema nti obi ati kokojibo ni ji ho afre 0243665188 yene junase post office edi anumhwe